Hello guys, I just want to take this time to let you guys know about the Tangerine account because I do not want you guys to be paying for bank fees when you can get the Tangerine bank account and the fees with no charge. So with the Tangerine account, you have the best option of getting high interest rate on your savings account plus no fees on the banking account. If you look at the major banks in Canada, for example, TD, BMO, Scotia, CIBC, Royal Bank, all these banks usually charge you anywhere from $5 to about $30 on a monthly basis for you to do your transactions like paying bills, e-transfers, any other transactions that you're looking to do through your bank. You would have to pay a fee for it. And depending on the level of the banking that you're choosing, you would be limited to 10 to 12 transactions per month. So, and certain banks also offers you free banking fee only if you keep a balance of 3,000 or 5,000 or 2,000. So why bother doing that when you can just get a Tangerine account where they would not charge you at all, even if you run out of money, and if you don't have the money to have in there, you're still not going to be charged anything. So just quickly looking at some of the other major banks just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about here. So for example, let's just start off with maybe TD Bank here. So with the TD Bank, let's just pull the banking information here to see how much they actually charge you on a monthly basis. So let's see. So let's take a look at the checking account. Because normally with the savings account, there's no fees with the major banks. So what I personally do is I keep a small amount of savings account in one of the major banks, which is, in my case, CIBC. And then I have my checking account where I do most of the transactions on the Tangerine account. So with this account, for example, if you're looking for unlimited banking transactions, you're looking at about $30. And then TD Unlimited Checking Account is $15. And then the TD Everyday Checking Account is $10.95. And this is the one that I was talking about earlier, $3.95 per month you would be paying. But if you are able to maintain $2,000 minimum as a balance, you don't have to pay anything. Plus, you only get 12 transactions, so you're being limited there. And let's just look at another bank here, which would be BMO, for example, and let's take a look at their fees. They also range around the same figure. So starting with the lowest first, they have $4 minimum balance is 2,000, transaction is 12, and plus is $10.95. Minimum balance is 3,000 for them to waive the fee. 30 transaction. $15.95, 4,000 is what you have to keep. It gives you unlimited transactions, and $15.95 for unlimited transactions, and then $30 for minimum of 6,000 with the same unlimited transactions. So you can see that there. So it's about the same range. But if you want to look at CIBC, which is where I bank, let's take a look at their fees as well. So for CIBC, let's go all the way down here. Okay, I think I skipped it. Okay, so it's from $4.95 for 12 transactions, but if you go over, it's $50. And even the e-transfer is included with the Tangerine as well. $3.90 for 12 transactions. $28.95 is unlimited transactions with them. So you can get an idea of what I'm talking about here. And with the Tangerine account, they have a great app, so you don't need to be sitting in the front of the computer to do any transactions. Just like any other banks, they also have an app available. And just to give you a bit of background information on Tangerine, initially Scotiabank is the one that had ING. ING had changed the name over to Tangerine, and what on their website you can see about saving, growing your money, and saving for your goals. Spending, it talks about no fee, and they offer money back credit cards options. Investing, it's a low fee investing. Borrowing, it's affordable way of borrowing, which means the interest rate is lower. And if you want to sign up, you just simply sign up for it. And then I will also provide you with my orange key, which will give you $50 to get started. And even if you don't want to, use it, or if you just want to try it out and see how it is, you have the option of doing that. They would not take that $50 away from you. I'll actually log into my account just to show you guys. I don't have much in there, but just to give you guys an idea of what that looks like once you log into that app. So once you log into that app, it's taking a moment. So once you sign into the app, it will, okay, let me just log in here. So you can see how they're showing me how I have a checking account, which only has a balance of $36.64, savings account, and then you have options of setting goals and achieving them, investing informations, borrowing information, and then it tells you my orange key here. So basically every time you refer somebody, you would just give them this orange key. So 45168214 SS and Sam 1. Each person would have their own orange key, and once you use this orange key to open up the account, you would get a $50. I would get a $50, and you can basically use that money for anything that you wish to use it for. And if you click here, you can see insight, transaction details, bill. If you want to know how much is left to spend on the account, ABM locator, so any Scotiabank machines would accept Tangerine cards for no fee. And I'll actually leave you a few other links at the bottom for you guys to go back in and check out some other options that's available for you to save money. So I'll leave you the orange key. I know I just quickly went over that with you guys. So I'll leave you the orange key at the bottom. And I will also leave you guys an American Express informations in regards to how you could also get some savings through the AMEX for now. And then I'll speak with you guys soon. I'm trying my best to make videos as much as I can. So whenever time permits, I will definitely make more videos. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know if there's anything that I can do better to improve my video. If you find